How to use Showbie in a lesson in 5 easy steps.
Number 1. Yay!
First up, you need to add a new assignment and give it a name. This is where resources can be shared with the children and where they can save their work.
Number 2. You can change an assignment schedule to make it hidden, view only, or open for uploads by pupils.
This can be helpful if you're planning ahead.
Number 3.
Oh yeah! Add resources you want all the children to access, like web links or template documents, into the assignment shared area. All you need to do is press to add media or tap to share icon from another app.
Number 4. Remember to pause the class discussion on Showbie so that children can't chat during the lesson. Number 5. The final one. Lastly, just tell your children to log into Showbie and open up your lesson to easily access your resources or save their work there. Bye kids, keep safe!